Hi guys, so today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat and the Treasure Map by James Dean, of course. Captain Pete looks across Cat Cove. The sun is sparkling on the water. It's a beautiful day for an adventure. Something flies toward Captain Pete's ship. It's a parrot. What does he have in his mouth? Squawk, said the parrot. She gives Captain Pete a crumpled piece of paper. What is it? Asks First Mate Callie. Captain Pete looks at the paper. There's a long trail and it ends with an X. It's a treasure map, he says. Treasure, says First Mate Kelly. Where? On Secret Island, says Captain Pete. Let's go, says First Mate Kelly. Woo, woo, cries the crew. Treasure! Captain Pete steers the ship through the big waves. The salty wind pushes the sail. Swoosh! Splash! The ship is going really fast. Good job, mateys, says Captain Pete. We'll be there in no time. Uh-oh, Captain Pete spoke too soon. He spies something coming toward them. What is that? Asks First Mate Callie. A giant arm that reaches up and splashes the water. It makes a wave that crashes down on Pete's boat. Splash! Squawk! Cries the parrot. Arr! Yells the crew. Another arm comes crashing down. Splash! The crew is scared, but not Captain Pete. He knows that the monster isn't trying to scare them. He's rocking a cool beat. Captain Pete takes out his guitar and strums. The monster rises out of the water and the crew takes cover. But the monster stops when he hears Pete play. He nods his head along. He's not a scary sea monster. He's an awesome sea drummer. Rock on, says Captain Pete. Thanks, booms the monster. Oh no, shouts First Mate Callie. A big storm is coming. Batten down the hatches, says Captain Pete. Everyone get ready for the storm. The wave tosses the ship, but the crew is brave. Captain Pete has an idea. Hey there, friend, he yells to the sea monster. We need some help. The monster grabs the ship with his giant arms and gives the great boost. The ship moves right through the storm. Hooray! Shouts the crew as the monster swims up to the boat. Thanks, a friend, yells Captain Pete. No prob, booms the monster. Land ho! Yells First Mate Kelly, pointing out over the sea. All the pirates rush to look. It's Secret Island, says Captain Pete. On the beach there, Buddy Grumpy Toad is waiting with a glittering pile of treasure. Ahoy, you mateys! You got my map. Grumpy Toad says. Treasure is no fun if you can't share it with your friends. The crew was so happy they do cartwheels in the sand. Thanks, Grumpy Toad, they shout. I think we're missing something, says Captain Pete. Let's play some music. What a great idea, says Grumpy Toad. The pirates load all the treasure onto their ship, but Captain Pete takes out his guitar and strums, but something is missing from his song. Our drummer, Captain Pete says, as the sea monster pops his head above the wave. Would you like to join my crew? Hey, booms the monster. Rock on, Pete says, as the monster joins in on a rockin' pirate tune. Captain Pete's crew is complete. All the pirates sing, yo ho, a pirate's life for us. The end. And that was the book, Pete the Cat and the Treasure Map by James Dean. I hope you liked this book. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and go check it out, called The World of Reading and Crafting. Bye guys, I hope you liked it. Bye!